How to apply Shein points at checkout. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to apply Shein points at checkout. So first thing, just log in to your Shein account on your application or your website and just choose any of the products which you would like to add or to your shopping cart. So let's say I want to add this to my shopping cart, so I'll simply tap on this add to cart button after selecting the particular size, just like this. And as you can see, my product has been successfully added to my cart. Now I'll simply head back to my product section or my cart and simply click on this checkout with coupon. So I will simply tap on that, and if there's any coupon available, you can also enter the code over here. So once you proceed to your checkout, that is by clicking on your shopping cart and clicking on checkout, on the checkout page you will see an option to apply points, and from there you can simply input the number of points you want to use to reduce the order total and click on apply to redeem the points and see the updated order, and just fill in your shipping and payment information and then click on place order. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.